Welcome to my photography masterclass. I am thrilled to have you here and excited to share my passion for photography with you. Photography is a wonderful art form that allows us to capture and preserve special moments in our lives. Whether it's a family portrait, a landscape shot, or a candid snapshot, photography has the power to transport us back to that moment in time and evoke all of the emotions we felt at that moment. In this masterclass, I will be sharing my knowledge, skills, and techniques to help you become a better photographer. I will cover everything from choosing the right camera and lenses to lighting, composition, and post processing. I will also share some of my personal tips and tricks that I have learned over the years and answer any questions you may have along the way. I love working with my clients to create beautiful and timeless portraits that they will cherish for a lifetime. It brings me so much joy to see the smiles on their faces when they see their images for the first time. I believe that everyone deserves to feel special and pampered, and I strive to provide a luxury experience for all of my clients. I can't wait to share my knowledge and experience with you and help you take your photography skills to the next level. Let's get started.